All right, teams, you ready for Shop Talk? This week, we discuss the importance of lifelong learning. In the fast-paced and constantly evolving world of automotive repair, it has never been more important to continuously develop and improve your skills and knowledge. By embracing a lifelong learning mindset, you can not only stay relevant in your automotive career, but also reach new heights of success. Let's explore why it is crucial to always be a student in an automotive repair setting. Stay relevant. The world of automotive repair is constantly changing, and new technologies, trends, and best practices are emerging all the time. By continuously learning and adapting to these changes, you can stay ahead of the curve. Boost career progression. Keeping up with new developments and acquiring new skills and knowledge can help you become more valuable to your repair shop, making you better equipped to take on new responsibilities and advance your career. Stay engaged and fulfilled. Continuously learning and developing new skills can help keep you engaged and motivated in your work. It can also help you discover new passions and interests, leading to a more fulfilling career. Stay competitive. In today's job market, staying competitive requires us to constantly upskill and stay ahead of the curve. By being a lifelong learner, you can demonstrate to potential employers that you are proactive, dedicated, and driven to succeed. Enhance problem-solving skills. By continuously learning, you can broaden your perspectives and gain a deeper understanding of the world around you. This increased knowledge and understanding can help you approach problems with a fresh perspective and find innovative solutions. In conclusion, being a lifelong learner is essential in today's automotive repair setting. By continuously developing your skills and knowledge, you can stay relevant, boost your career, stay engaged and fulfilled, stay competitive, and enhance your problem-solving skills. So embrace the lifelong learning mindset in your automotive repair career and see where it takes you. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos that can help your shop reach its greatest potential.